doing what?
Thank you. Who's doing what? What team are you?
Non-armband.
What do you want to do first, bud?
I want to defend.
You're defending first. Congratulations, armband. You are attacking.
Thank you, sir.
Right, non-armbands following down the hill, please. Armbands get set up on this track.
You try the 5 games?
Yep. Se vuole pensare, io ti consiglio. Non lo sai, Martina, prova a fare una raffica, vieni con questo.
That doesn't really do us any favours.
What's that?
Attacking.
Well, just get out there and then just nail them down.
Yeah, it's fair play.
Get an eye. And we'll probably move pretty quickly, but...
So far we've got definitely 4 snipers.
Yeah, and a mortar. I think we just set up a mortar station and just...
Chris, so far we've got 4 snipers here. Us 3 and that guy there.
Should be fun.
Especially when we come to do defending.
Anyone's to leave behind.
Dovrebbe essere una carrozza, dai.
Yeah, that's it. So we need last bit to be moving their arse.
We're more of a defensive thing, to be honest, but this will be okay.
Is that HDR?
No, it's not. This long enough to be one. Still about half the length of my SSG. That's ridiculous.
Guys, just so you know, the game
I was very torn between this and one of them.
Long whistle, one short blast is a start or end of a game. 2 short blasts is us getting a player's attention, and 3 is a ceasefire. Okay, happy?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I caricatori li metti al contrario. Io questi qua non li posso mettere. Poi li metti al contrario, poi quando li apri poi vedi come ti fai da te.
Don't dive in any puddles.
Like a player did yesterday, rental player, got caked in mud, even the gun was caked. Feel sorry for a poor bastard's got to clean the overalls. Literally, neck down was caked in mud.
Oh man.
And there's a morning game as well.
Yeah.
I think I've had too much coffee. Need a piss.
There's a bush round there, by there. As long as it's further away so people don't get a nut shot.
Oh mate. Right on my tip.
You do be singing a high pitched voice.
I think that would make it an early day.
Be nice, but dear, get over. Dear, I got a shot of better. Keep it better. Bye.
Okay, team, stand by.
You recording?
I think we've got more snipers than they have.
I think we've got all snipers.
Yeah.
I don't think they've got one. If we push into that tree line, we'll have a direct flank and then fall down on the Be advised, 4 or 5 moving right, keep on centre, keep pressure.
guys, you're completely out of range there, so you're never going to shoot shit. You've got a far better chance of that.
You got to get nearer. AEGs, go nearer.
You're literally well out of range.
AEGs, move forward. Snipers, stay behind.
We haven't got someone right up there, have we? We've got two runners moving from the left. One's down. There's still fire coming from that tree line.
Straight through from through them bushes there, yeah.
You're in range.
AEGs, move forward! Any people behind the snipers and DMRs?
Hello.
Oh. There you go.
Location?
I'm just scanning.
They're in van over there.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
AEGs need to move forward. Our snipers need to stay back because we've got range. We've got 80, 90 metres of range on this.
yeah? Push him right. Push him right. Push right, push right.
AEGs need to move forward. I need DMRs and the sniper stay back. Need to move forward. AEGs and that need to move forward. You want to get the range wide like I will.